Danger zone. Expert control. Maximum thrill. Experience the raw power and precision of heavy logging truck drivers facing the impossible. This is a showcase of breathtaking skill and nerve. You won't believe your eyes.
Using £130 per year on your heating bill.
This Chilean logging truck is battling the road itself. Every pothole hits like a brutal punch, yet the machine endures and keeps pushing forward. It's a raw display of brute strength and unbreakable engineering. This is the unglamorous reality of the logging industry. No solid ground, just a constant battle against mud that seems determined to swallow the truck whole. Every single log loaded is a hard-won victory. Pure grit, back-breaking effort, and a powerful machine proving its worth the hard way. Taking down a giant like that with a handheld saw? Pure grit and skill. The real question is, what masterpiece is that timber destined to become? I'm picturing some stunning 10-foot live-edge slabs. Loading directly into a shipping container means these logs are ready for intermodal transport, truck, train, or ship. It's a smarter, more streamlined process that showcases a whole new level of industry efficiency. Nice tree fall direction. Did the tree agree to that plan too? The machine is amazing, but put yourself in Eric's seat for a moment. He's controlling the boom, the grapple, the saw, and the processors all at once. What part of this incredible operation do you find most impressive? The speed, the precision, or the multitasking skill? Share your thoughts. The beast evolves. Lawrence Jock just gave their 12-ton HSM 208 a powerful new weapon, the clamping bunk. Now, it has an unbreakable grip, turning treacherous slopes into just another workday. This upgrade transforms the machine into an unstoppable force, securing massive loads with immense hydraulic pressure. This footage documents heavy haulage operations in southern Tasmania. These trucks represent the critical transport phase in the timber supply chain. Sourcing from certified, sustainably managed forests is a key component of modern, responsible logistics, ensuring the industry's long-term viability and ecological balance. We're watching the new Brooks 806 casually chew through massive logs. The older models were powerful too, but this one's different. It doesn't even break a sweat, it just swallows. They say simplicity is best, and for once, the marketing folks might actually be right. There's a lot less that can go wrong when a machine is this strong and this well built.
This is what people do for fun in the Outer Banks. Oh my God.
This is exactly why helmets and certified arborists are essential. Seen a few close calls like this over the decades. This isn't just driving, it's a battle against gravity. Respect for the operator. That truck isn't just moving wood, it's conquering terrain. The sheer mass of those logs, combined with that sharp turn, highlights the raw power and precision needed in forestry logistics. Working those Alaska timbers means you better know your stuff. Dropping a 4-foot diameter spruce with a saw like that is no beginner's task. This isn't just cutting, it's an art form of control.
Jeg har byttet plass fra den første til den andre landingen.
Witnessing a heavy lift helicopter in a logging operation is something else. The sheer force of those rotors, the precision of the pickup. It's expensive, but sometimes it's the only viable option.
Vergo, se va a sacudir algo bonito, viejo. Ay, Dios santo. A la verga.
Good Lord, I would never take a risk like that.
No, mo. Inga tu.
Watching the Mercedes Unimog power through deep snow with heavy logs is mesmerizing. No more getting stuck for hours. This kind of equipment is crucial for sustainable logging in remote, challenging areas.
Whoa, Nick.
Make way for the real heavy haulers. These mules are showing everyone how it's really done. Classic beauty and fuel efficient too. That Zeter crystal is a great reminder that sometimes the simplest solutions are the best. No fancy electronics, just solid mechanical design lifting heavy logs. It might be slower, but it's crucial for careful, deliberate logging work. As a logger, I know the dangers of working on steep slopes. The LH855C doesn't just cut trees. It's a mobile fortress, protecting the crew while speeding up wood recovery. It's a true game changer for both efficiency and worker welfare on rugged terrain. People often overlook the massive volume of timber being moved this way. Sorting these giant log rafts ensures quality control before they reach the sawmills. It's a crucial step, often forgotten in the supply chain. That TMAR LC550 isn't just pulling logs, it's redefining what's accessible. On 50-degree slopes where skidders would roll, this cable machine works magic. With an 86-inch grapple reach, it handles big timber fast. This is the most efficient way to log on steep terrain.
£150 per year on your heating. On your heating bill. Search high to discover more.
The courage of these tree climbers is unbelievable. Dangling 80 feet in the air, operating a chainsaw, and cutting the tree into perfect sections, this isn't just a job, it's a high-stakes ballet.
Beautiful.
I've seen plenty of log trucks, but the Resina 6x6 is a legend. Watching it unload by slamming the brakes is downright wild. When it comes to efficiency, it's top tier, even if a bit dramatic. Classic old-school ingenuity at its finest. That downhill hairpin with a full load? Pure adrenaline for the driver. It's a testament to powerful brakes and incredible concentration. Not a job for the faint of heart, for sure. Watch this hydraulic titan make quick work of a massive payload. The crane moves with a controlled fury, plucking heavy logs as if they were toothpicks. This is the powerful culmination of a long, hard journey. I remember the days when a 5-man crew with chainsaws would take days to do what this John Deere is doing now. The sound is different now. The speed is incredible. But the quiet respect for the machine's power remains exactly the same. That roar. Just listen to that Komatsu's engine screaming its lungs out. The tires spin uselessly, churning red mud into a spray. Every horsepower is converted into pure, desperate noise, fighting against tons of dead weight. This is the sound of a Titan pushed to its absolute limit. I'm thinking about the hours they could be stuck on that muddy road. Hopefully, they make it out without a hitch. Mastering the sky with a chainsaw takes nerves of steel and precision. This isn't just trimming branches, it's a high-wire act where every cut demands unwavering focus. The sheer danger involved in navigating airborne with a buzzing blade is truly humbling. Decades in this industry, never seen speed like the Spaltfix S360. That integrated bagger is pure genius. Cuts down handling by at least half. More cords per hour, less backache. Impressive. This is like a magic trick for the timber industry. A whole solid tree goes in one end, and a cloud of uniform chips shoots out the other in mere seconds. The speed of this deconstruction is mind-boggling, turning immense solid mass into a transportable resource.
Já extinguir atentado, tá levando, tá junto com a máquina.
Now that's a flawless display of forestry power teamwork. The Caterpillar 320D is the precision striker, taking down and handling pine trees with incredible speed. Then the John Deere 648H rolls in like a heavyweight champ to haul it all away. One perfect combo. That Ponzi is practically mountain climbing, not driving. Watching it ascend a slope that's steep, covered in debris, feels like it defies gravity. The Herzog winch isn't just an assist, it's a lifeline, pulling that massive machine upward. Witness the impossible? There's always more. Forestry Tech is your destination for the most extreme and awe-inspiring heavy logging truck driving. If you were on the edge of your seat, subscribe and join us for the next chapter of incredible human-machine synergy.